What up, loves? It's your girl London, and I am back, and I am doing something a little different. I'm gonna do some crochet on myself. I got this here runway curl. Don't mind all the other stuff in it, but I got this last year when I was at Runaway Brothers. I think the one in Atlanta, and this is what the hair looks like. So I only got one bundle of it. It was like $45. Here I go with this platinum hair again, right? I know. I should have did like 2 tones, but I think like the next color similar to this was 2 off. Yeah, so we're gonna see how this goes. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on my scalp, and I just did a regular braid pattern. It's not that great. If y'all ever recall, I don't have that much hair. And I definitely don't have any hair on the side, but it's just best to try to catch the hair in before you do the actual crochet for me. So again, this is the hair that I'm going to be using. I did not realize when I bought it that it was on a weft. I actually thought that it was just loose hair, so I guess I'm going to cut it off of the weft. So it is folded a couple of times, and this weft is like really, really thin, if y'all can see that. It's really thin, so I think that's a good thing. Okay guys, so I've already cut it off, and so this is what it looks. This is what it looks like, so I've already cut it off. Okay guys, so here I'm misting the hair with a little water, and I'm just kind of separating just to see exactly how full it is. I realized that in the back it was still a little spacey, so once I'm done separating, I'm going to cut, and then with the leftover hair, I'm going to actually plug it into the places where I was missing the hair. So this is it before the cut, and now the big chop. Okay, love, so after the foam has firmed up the hair and it's a little stiff, you want to go in with a water bottle and just mist it. This is going to allow you to move and reposition the hair without causing more added frizz. And you're not adding any additional product, just the water itself. Okay, loves, now I'm adding black color spray to the roots of the crochet. This helps to hide the knots, and it also gives the illusion that it's growing from the scalp and makes the crochet itself look a lot more natural. Hey loves, talk about catfish. Like, this is definitely a catfish look, because what you just saw and what is going on right now is two different things. I am so ecstatic to finally get this video out. I did the tutorial and forgot to take after photos, y'all. I forgot to do my makeup and show y'all what it looks like, all completed. So I've been holding on to this video. I was supposed to upload it just a few days ago, so I'm only behind like 2 or 3 days. Don't kill me, but I was determined to get it uploaded to y'all. I am leaving church and I'm in my car closing this video out, because that's how much you guys mean to me. So I hope y'all forgive me. I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. I will link the name of this hair in the description bar below. I think it's Runway Curl, if I'm not mistaken. I don't have a link for them, but if there is one, I will link that in the description bar below. And this is the finished look. This is maybe about 3 weeks old. So I like it now in this state than I did at the end of the actual tutorial. It was still kind of neat and still new. I feel like right now it looks a little bit more natural. What do you guys think? And I just kind of like the bush and the frizz of it. In all the hair stores, I haven't seen any with the curl texture quite like this. I know there's like those little corkscrew spiral curls, and they only come but so small. So I like the curl pattern on their hair because it's a little bit more smaller. So I feel like it looks a lot more natural. In the tutorial itself, the hair looked real uniform, like it was real neat. So after a couple of weeks, it starts to get old, a little matted, a little bedhead. And I think that it looks more natural, looks more realistic. In fact, I was going to take it out today, but I might go a few more days, y'all. What do y'all think? Now that I don't know. But anywho, I'm not going to hold you guys. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful and blessed Sunday. And until I see y'all in my next video, bye loves.